Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be making a campfire on an island, fishing, and catching lots of fish. So with that, let's get straight into the video. I'm also joined with Dada 5000 and Real Adventures. Super deep. All right, we made it to the island. Hey, Bati.
No!
God. Guys, Real Adventures just landed this nice bass. Nice. Real Adventures has one on. It's a big one.
Always big. Swear to God if it's a turtle. God damn it.
God! It's a big turtle too.
It's a big turtle. See you, buddy. Oh, great.
Guys, he's getting bites. Got him!
Oh gosh, he won't move. It's actually fighting with the camera.
Oh my gosh, dude, your rod's gonna...
Ah!
No!
Not again. It's the stupid turtle again. Again? Yes. See you, buddy.
Nice. Real Adventures with another bass. First cast.
First cast. Nicely done.
Alrighty, everyone. Well, that was it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed. Caught a lot of fish, made campfire, and yeah, see you guys on the next one.